Mathematics applies to everything. It's sort of the language of how we understand the world. I think what attracts a lot of people to UTS is our reputation for that outward-facing view of mathematics and its place in the world, and how together develop the skills which not just prepare people for employment, but prepare people to make the kind of impacts, to make the sort of breakthroughs with these problems that the world needs.
One of the greatest things about the UTS Bachelor of Mathematical Science is that we showcase a lot of our own research and incorporate that into our teaching and learning. And that gives the students opportunity to see how the technical skills can be applied in practice.
I like the fact that my professors have real-world experiences, as they can give you a more comprehensive understanding about these subjects you are learning.
I would say definitely challenge yourself if you have a passion, and there are many opportunities out there. The demand for mathematics graduates is very high. So I would say if you think you can do it, have a try.